Welcome back to Vehicle Inspector. Prepare to be blown away by this incredible 2025 model. Official computer images have been leaked online, providing an exciting glimpse into the future. Recent spy photos have unveiled important information about this renowned automobile. The 2025 Chevrolet Equinox arrives with significant updates that enhance its appeal while maintaining its practicality as a family SUV. For 2025, the Equinox features an updated design and new trim options, notably the off-road themed Activ trim. This year also brings a retuned turbocharged 1.5-liter engine that produces 175 horsepower. The new 8-speed automatic transmission replaces the previous 6-speed, and the model offers both front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive variants. New safety technologies are now standard across all trims, including forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control. The 2025 Equinox adopts a more rugged design, borrowing visual cues from Chevrolet's larger SUV models like the Traverse. It features squared-off wheel arches and a distinctive front end with two-part headlights and LED running lights. The SUV comes in 3 trim levels: LT, RS, and the new Activ, each offering unique aesthetics. The Activ stands out with its off-road appearance, all-terrain tires, and a contrasting roof option, while the RS trim embraces a sportier look with blacked-out details. Inside, the Equinox focuses on comfort and technology. All trims come with an 11-inch digital instrument cluster and an 11.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, providing a high-tech interface for drivers. The LT trim includes synthetic leather upholstery, while the RS and Activ trims offer upgraded interior materials and features such as heated front seats and unique stitching accents. While space remains consistent with previous models, the quiet and well-damped cabin enhances the overall driving experience. Fuel economy figures for the 2025 Equinox remain close to those of the 2024 model. The FWD version is expected to achieve around 26 miles per gallon in the city and 31 miles per gallon on the highway, while the AWD variant delivers slightly lower efficiency, with 24 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. These numbers make the Equinox a fairly fuel-efficient choice for its class. The starting price for the 2025 Equinox LT trim is $29,995. The RS and Activ trims are priced at $34,395. Choosing AWD adds an additional $2,000 across all trims. Despite the price increase, the added technology and styling updates make the Equinox competitive in the compact SUV market. The 2025 Chevrolet Equinox is available for order now, with deliveries expected to begin by the end of 2024. The SUV will be available in markets worldwide, continuing Chevrolet's strong presence in the global SUV segment. This refresh offers more tech, safety, and style to keep the Equinox appealing to modern SUV buyers.